Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me these power banks. So this one right here is a solar power banks. What that means is that essentially you throw it outside and, well, hopefully the solar panel is facing up when you throw it out there. But it's supposed to charge this battery using solar power. This is one of my first ever solar power banks. I've seen a few out there. This one right here was sent to me by this company, and they asked me to give it a test. And so this is my first time seeing it. All right. So I may say things that are wrong, but on the box it actually says rugged waterproof series. I don't know if the power banks is waterproof. Should I throw it into like a bucket of water? Maybe they mean like in the rain or something, not in a bucket of water. But yeah, anyway, let's see here. It's got, this one's got a USB-C cord right here, which is great because USB-C can charge things up really fast. Most of the time I probably won't be using this using solar panel to charge this. But it's nice that it's on here. Alrighty, wow, this thing is hefty. Okay, so on the side right here, it actually says that this power bank is 38,800 milliamp. That's almost 40,000 milliamps. This is going to be the biggest power bank that I own right now. I can't believe it's for a 40,000 milliamp. It's actually a pretty good size because I have like maybe a 20,000 milliamp. And it's about the size right here. I mean, this big right here. Not this thick though. This is definitely thicker. But look, what they've done with the sizing is that they've added in some LED on here. That's nice. And the cool part is it comes with these cables already attached. So I don't have to like grab cables every single time I'm running out the door. Very nice. Oh, by the way, did I mention that it's lightning cable right here? And on top of that, USB-C cables. Oh my gosh, this would have been useful last weekend when I was shooting at an event. It would have been very, very useful because I needed this thing right here to charge up my camera batteries. Okay, and then there's this one right here. This is a USB-A, but it's really not. It's they call it USB-A, but that's interesting. I need to try it out. I need to plug it in somehow. So obviously it doesn't go into the cable like this. So what is it used for? I need to know. Can I just plug this into any socket? Let me see. Whoops. Okay, so I have a charging station here that, let me see if I can plug this in. Can I just plug it in like this? Wow. Yes, I can. Look. It actually fits in there. Will it charge though? That's the question now. Okay, now I'm interested. Will this thing charge? Or will it blow up on me? Let's see. Oh, look. Look. It's actually charging it. So wow, that's a USB-A port. Never seen it look like this before. Look at this. This thing is interesting. I've never seen it look like this before. It looks so rugged. There's a metal plate back here. I'm not sure what it's for. Yeah, see that? Okay, and then there's, oh my gosh, every corner I turn on this battery bank, there's something new. And then there's a USB-A output right here. You can plug in just a regular plug like this and charge other devices. That's nice. So there's that option if you need. Then there's this button. Okay, so don't know what that button does yet. Hold on, let's look all around here. Let's see what else. So I like the fact that this thing right here actually tells you like the percentage on where it's at, on how much battery you have left. So if I press that button on the side right here, it actually tells you This thing is sitting at about 30% is what it's saying. Very nice. Got a little lanyard here for you to stick it in there, but I don't think I'm going to use that. This thing is pretty hefty. Look how thin this one is. I don't think it will hold, but anyway. Okay, so the other thing I want to test out is it has wireless charging on here. Okay, so this looks like it does work because look, the iPhone is turning on. So it's charging. Oh, and on top of that, if you look right here, this thing is blue. It was red earlier when there's nothing that's charging it. But right now, yeah. So see, if you look at this right here, it's saying that it's charging. Very nice. So if I take this off, this light would probably turn another color. Yeah, see, it turns red. It's charging. Does it think that my lights is solar lights? Is that why? Interesting. Yeah, guys, look, it's actually green. That right there is dim green. So I don't know what that means, but it is actually charging with my light. I'm not sure which one is giving it power. I don't know what solar power means, but yeah, it's actually charging. It's nice. Guess I don't have to go outside to test this thing. But yeah, you drop this thing on here and you press the button and it's waiting. Yep, there we go. Charged. Wireless charging. So this is exactly the same size height-wise as my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Look at this. The size is pretty much the same. Very nice. I wish I had MagSafe. I mean, you know, like a little sticker on here, you just on there. But I guess there's plenty of stuff on here already. All right, let's see how the flashlight works. This button right here, maybe I press it a few times. 1, 2. Can I press 1, 2 and it works? Can I hold? There we go. I actually hold the button and it works. Wow, that's pretty bright. Okay, so that dims it when I press it again. Oh, okay, so now it's SOS. Okay, and now it is flashing really fast. Okay, so this is good for emergency use, for sure. Now it's turned off. Yeah, you just hold it to turn it on. Super simple. Can definitely use this at night. Oh, that's really bright. Really bright. Dim it a little bit. Here we go. What if I hold it again? Okay, if I hold it again, it turns it off. Okay, super nice. All right. Good for emergency use. If you're camping or something like that, I think this is going to be a good one. Especially when all the cables are already included right there. I don't have to dig around for extra cables. Okay, so last thing, USB-C right here. So this is what I would primarily use to charge this device up. Yeah, because USB-C, that's going to charge it super fast. Well, guys, there you have it. That is the built-in LED, solar charging, wireless charging, included cables. Wow, it's like everything. And look, I mean, it's charging right now because it thinks somehow my lights in here is giving it power. That's incredible. Technology. Okay, well, that's it for me. I'm out here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.